I just finished assembling this 40-inch studio desk, computer desk, office desk. It's really nice. It doesn't take too much room. What I absolutely loved about the assembling is the way it's logical building for me. That's what it is. It is super sturdy. They've got beams going across. It's not going to warp. It's reversible, and what that means is that this unit right here, which are the two shelves, can actually be installed. If I wanted to take that apart and install it on this side, I could, depending on the room that I have, depending on the office. Super cool. And this is really nice too, kind of that little elevated for your monitor, for anything you want, maybe a plant, maybe something like that. And the other thing, look at this right here. You've got two USB-A's and three outlets, so you've got some cable management within. And let me just come across right here and show you the cable that's right there under there. So super easy to just hook up. Your desk is clean, no more wires hanging around. And this here, you might wonder, what is that? I at first thought, oh, that's probably a part of the cable management. It's not. Coffee cup goes right in here. You don't have to have, scares of spills or anything like that while you're working. Your coffee cup can be right over here. It doesn't take a lot of room in terms of depth with that, which I really, really enjoy. It is 40 inches in width. And like I said, a super sturdy metallic and wood desk. Love it, absolutely love it. And they made the finish really, really classy.